Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about symptom-based explainable artificial intelligence model for leukemia detection. Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human brain. Leukemia detection is like one of the type of cancer in blood or bone marrow. Next, overview of the project, that is abstract. Leukemia is not only fatal in nature, it is also extremely expensive to treat. However, leukemia detection at early stage can save life and money of the affected people, especially children, among whom leukemia as a cancer type is very common. In this paper, we explainable supervised machine learning that accurately predicts childhood early stage leukemia based on symptoms only. In addition, feature selection are performed on the dataset to show the strength of the individual features and enhance the performance of the classification model. We are implementing two machine learning algorithms like naïve classifier and support vector machine. Cross validation is a technique for evaluating ML models by training several machine learning model on subsets of the available input data and evaluating them on the complementary subset of the data. Use cross validation to detect overfitting. The performance-based SVM algorithm achieves the highest accuracy, precision, recall and FN score. Next, flow diagram. This is our project flow. Start, select and load dataset, pre-processing, data splitting, feature selection, classification and prediction. First, start our program. Next, select and load dataset. Select and load leukemia dataset. Next, pre-processing. Pre-processing is data cleaning and checking null values. Any null values are there, replace with 0 values and remove unwanted column. Any unwanted columns are there, removing in pre-process step. After, label encoding. Label encoding is changing categorical values to numerical value. This process all occurred in pre-processing step. Next, data splitting. Our data is splitted into training and testing data. Next, feature selection. Feature selection is like we have to select the best features in our data. So we have to use a chi-square algorithm to select best features in our data. Next, classification. Classification is like algorithm implementation. That is algorithm implementation. We are implementing two machine learning algorithms, that is naïve classifier and support vector machine. Our proposed SVM give high accuracy and cross validation. Cross validation is overfitting, to reduce overfitting our data and give high accuracy. Next, prediction. Prediction is like the given data is leukemia affected or not. Next, performance analysis like finding accuracy, precision, recall and FN score. Next, output explanation. This is our leukemia detection project output. First, data selection and loading. Leukemia dataset is visible now. First module, data selection and loading. Data is visible now. Data selection after data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is data cleaning and checking null values. No null values are there. Next, removing unwanted column. Any unwanted columns are there and removing this process. Next, data splitting. Our data is split into X label and Y label data set. Our data is split into training and testing data. Feature selection. Feature selection is best features selection using chi-square algorithm to selecting our best features. 840 and 16 columns are there, 840 rows and we have to select only 10 best columns. Next, algorithm implementation. That is first naïve classifier accuracy 90 percentage. Cross validation is we have to predict 5 accuracy value and final output is in average stage, giving 90 percentage. Next, classification report for naive based classifier, precision, recall, FN score and support. Next, support vector machine 94 percentage. Cross validation report 93 percentage. Next, classification report, precision, recall, FN score and support. Confusion matrix is based on our target values, that is leukemia normal, that is zeros and ones. Comparison graph between naive based classifier and support vector machine. Prediction status like the given data is leukemia or normal.